and see. Subscribe on YouTube.
Hey everybody! Welcome to another episode of Trenny and C. I'm Trenny. This is C.
Good day.
Today we have a box in front of us sent to us from our good buddies up North Island here. Shelter Point Distillery.
Yes.
So that's exciting.
It says this side up, so we should probably do that.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
And we've got a couple of drams of Shelter Point that we're sipping on right now. We've got single cask triple grain. That's what I'm having.
And the collective right there. So cool.
Okay, so let's see.
Let's do it.
It's always exciting when you get a package from Shelter Point.
Unsheath the knife.
Yeah, we've been getting a lot of flack about the knives we've been using.
Ching.
That they weren't cool enough. Well, look at that.
Cool. This is made from like a deer antler or something.
Bone or something.
We don't know.
We're not that cool.
A bone or an antler. Is that the same thing? Is a bone and an antler the same material?
Is an antler a bone? Get back to us.
Oh, that's a good knife. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at this.
Whoa. Does
Wow.
Dr. Don know that other people are doing flavor wheels?
The Shelter Point flavor wheel, starting with... Here, I'm going to just do a quick close-up.
It doesn't have anything about polyethylene on here.
Look at that. That's really nice. And it's a wheel instead of a square. So it makes sense, actually. Zoop, zoop. Cool. I like that. That's great.
We should have one of these like just sitting here at all times or something.
Just something to
To remind us that we don't have to use the same 3 tasting notes over and over again.
There we go.
Beauty.
Okay, lots of...
It doubles as a coaster too.
Lots of
Packing
the popcorn.
peanuts.
That's what it's called, packing peanuts. But I'm gonna kind of dig in here.
Those
Try
are the
not to
worst when you
spill it.
step on them. They actually get
Try not to
stuck
spill
in
a
your
lot.
shoe. So anyway, I'm having the single cast triple grain myself, and it's got
Okay, this is just gonna spill everywhere, so I'm gonna.
it's kind of fruity,
Okay.
malty.
Yes.
Oh,
That's exciting. Whatever that
okay.
is. Don't know yet. And I'm feeling like there's something else in there. Oh, I'm spilling all over myself. Wow. And a second one.
Okay,
Packing
this is exciting.
Yeah.
This is a new release. New release from Shelter Point, the Forbidden.
The Forbidden?
And somehow we got it. The Unforbidden.
Like the Unforgiven?
47%. Let's get the deets on this one. Let's do one at a time. The Forbidden, 47% non-chill filtered, natural color, as they always are.
You say 47%?
47%.
Wow, they've upped the percentage.
And let's get the deets on it here. It says batch number 2.
Okay.
And it says forbidden, adjective meaning not allowed, banned. Our single malt wheat whiskey might just be forbidden by those in the know. So we're naming our 100% wheat whiskey. 100% wheat whiskey.
Wow, cool.
After our mysterious local mountain plateau where only the most adventurous souls dare to go. Fill your flask with the soft, fragrant grasses and alpine flowers of a perfect summer day in the mountains. Our most delicate expression yet.
Wow, that's cool. That would suit them because I like that.
A unique release for the curious and discerning whiskey explorer. A sip of Forbidden offers a taste of paradise.
Ooh. So I wonder if they take their helicopter up to the Forbidden Plateau there.
Yeah.
It's not called Forbidden Plateau. That's a real place. But
Okay. But, so that's super cool. 100% wheat. 47% non-chill filtered, natural color. That is super cool. Yeah.
I like the idea that it's 47%. Oh, it's just flailing over. 47% and wheat makes sense because it's like a lighter style spirit, but a higher
little bit of punch.
That's
but
cool.
Wheat sometimes, I've noticed wheat can get spicy.
Totally.
Right?
Yeah.
Like some wheated whiskeys have a good spice in there.
They
like
do.
it can replace the rye a little bit.
They take on the wood a little bit.
We're not going to drink it yet.
No. Okay, let's open this guy right here. See what's in this Pop-matic bubble right here. If I can even get into it.
You
There we
need
go.
not.
No, I think I'm good. Okay, what do we got? Oh, smoke and oak. That is cool. So they did have their what was it called? Oh god, I'm forgetting it right now. The
Smoke point.
Smoke point. I was gonna say triple smoke. Yeah, the smoke point. So this is smoke and oak at 46%. No chill filtration, natural color.
And look at that color. It's got a little bit of darkness.
Look at that. This is batch number 1, by the way.
Like that's a tinge darker than this one for sure.
So this is what it looks like.
Watch the
Very nice.
glare. The glary McLaren.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Let me read the back for you. You don't have to make whiskey in paradise, but it helps. The single grain triple distilled whiskey tells a story of innovation and experimentation. For this expression, we smoked finishing barrels using a smoldering combination of apple wood and locally harvested Vancouver Island peat.
Oh, cool.
The result? A whiskey that breaks all the rules with notes of demerara sugar, sweet hay, caramel, barbecue, chocolate, fruitcake, vanilla, pepper, and distant smoke.
Dang.
That sounds cool. That's great.
So wait, so is that barley then?
I'm thinking it's probably a barley spirit single malt. Doesn't say single malt anywhere on here.
But it says on the back that it said a single grain, didn't it?
Yeah. So
I'm gonna dive into that. So here's the cool thing: is we are gonna do a summer limited dram club with these bottles. That's why we're not opening them right now.
Yes.
Because these are gonna go to a select group of people specifically that sign up for the limited dram club series. So if you're interested in that, well, they're going to get these and they're going to get something else from Shelter Point too.
Yeah.
There will be a third offering. So if you're interested in that, send us an email at trennync@gmail.com. That's trennync@gmail.com, and let us know you're interested in the limited dram club series for the summer, and we'll try and get you signed up. But
and that's two very interesting, unique, one-of-a-kind whiskeys that you're
Brand
not
new,
going to get,
yeah.
you know, basically out of BC very often.
much.
So, pretty cool.
Great. Well, this is fun. Thank you to Shelter Point, and we
Thank
will
you, guys.
at some point go live with our boy Leon Webb and
Yes.
talk about these. So
Cool.
Click like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we will see you soon. Cheersies on the.
All right.
Oh, you're empty.
I'm empty, but that's okay. Cheers.
Trenny and C.